up, you guys? Today I will be following Kehlani's Vogue makeup tutorial. This is my first time doing one of these, actually following along with another celebrity, so we're just gonna jump right into it. I already did my skincare and my brows because honestly that will be for a whole nother video. For some reason I can't film more than 17 or 18 minutes. I don't know what's the deal with that. I will break it down and tell you all the products that I did use. I will film a brow tutorial soon so you guys can watch that, and it'll just be too complicated because I shave like half my brows, so we're just gonna skip to that. But let's get started.
Kehlani, and I'm going to walk you through my everyday skin routine and my very basic everyday glowing face. So the first step is a creamy cleanser. I like this a lot because I really...
Yes. Okay, right. So we're going to skip the skincare. Right. She preps the out of her skin, bro. The first thing I did, to exfoliate and to cleanse the skin, I cleanse my skin with the Youth to the People Kale and Spinach cleanser. Then I tone with the Ordinary glycolic acid toning solution. For an essence, I use my SK2 facial treatment essence. For a serum, I use my Ordinary hyaluronic acid. Love that. For an oil, I use my Lord Jones Royal Oil. So imagine me showing you applying all of these layers onto my skin. And then to lock everything in, I was too lazy to use eye cream, so I use this under my eyes as well, but that is perfectly fine because it is a moisturizer and a primer in one. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Beautiful moisturizer, beautiful primer. Right now she's gonna use a dewy primer. The only primer that I have close to that is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. We're gonna go ahead and use this, and I'm using number 6. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so you're gonna apply
beauty, like magic beauty balm. So I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it in my drier areas.
forehead.
So my forehead gets really dry under makeup, makes the makeup weird. My nose. So my first step that I'm gonna use is the Pat McGrath.
Ooh, I have that foundation.
What I love about that.
Oh, I love that she's using the Pat McGrath foundation. Okay. Well, no, she uses her fingers, so let me use my fingers.
Pat McGrath stuff is...
Okay, so yeah, Pat McGrath.
Like, it's just not super thick, and I feel like I need like sheer stuff because you have to layer on a lot of stuff as you go.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of my Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer because that Pat McGrath foundation that I have is a little bit too dark for me right now. This is actually medium deep 24. This is my summer shade. So I'm gonna mix my Kevyn Aucoin SX11 concealer with it just to lighten it, and it's also gonna give it a little bit more coverage. I'm just mixing that in my palette. Isn't these palettes so cute? I got them from Amazon. These are really good, so you won't get your hands dirty.
So I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime spray and spray it on my beauty blender because I want it to be wet, but I don't want it to be like too wet. I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on my hand. I remember the first time I went on tour and I couldn't afford a makeup artist. It was my first tour. I walked into the MAC store and I grabbed the first person I can see, and she's actually a pretty cracking like Latina influencer. And I just said, yo, dude, show me a basic face, and whatever you put in front of me, I'm gonna buy. And whatever she put in front of me that day, I bought that she used on my face. But I basically just evolved from that basic face that she taught me. I have like, this is like a little bit thicker. It's a NARS foundation. So I'll take this and like get some of the spots that I feel like that other foundation couldn't.
So that's basically like me adding the Sensual Skin Enhancer because
that breakout.
it adds more coverage. So This works out perfectly. Yes, okay, we on the same page, girl. I just really need to blend this out because, you know, in these videos, they're edited and sped up, so I gotta move it along. She's using NARS. I have that. I use it in caramel.
I remember being the funniest thing I had to learn because at first I came out looking like a clown because I just didn't get it. And I think once somebody breaks down the whole, like, you're highlighting the parts of your face that, like, you know, I guess shadows would highlight, you know the whole light thing. I don't know how to explain it. Once I got that a little more, it made a little bit of sense. So next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty stick.
Oh, wait. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, yeah, right. Okay, contour. Oh, she uses a Fenty matchstick. I use one in Truffle. Let me see how she does it.
No, because I just don't understand how that works. It's very
She does it like that.
Shout out anyone who can. It's mascara and lip gloss and some concealer. So I'm showing you guys the Kehlani the artist version of it.
You guys, this is starting to look so freaking good. She's gonna go in with her Laura Mercier powder. I don't have my Laura Mercier anymore. I ran out of that. I do have a bit of a concoction that I use.
In Century,
so she's gonna do her brows. I'm just gonna watch it because I already did my brows. So
first, I'm gonna take my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit.
Okay. Oh, I need to bake. How much did? Okay, she went all the way. Since I am of a darker complexion, I can't really use a really bright baking powder around here, so I'm gonna use a different color. Oh my god, I don't curl my lashes for shit. Okay, I'm back. My camera overheated a bit, so she's curling her lashes. Oh, and you guys, if you guys notice any type of weird behavior while while I was letting my camera cool down, my edible finally hit me. Shout out to Late Munch. They have awesome treats. I'm gonna try my best to complete this video and film another video. Stay tuned for that video also. I am filming a would you rather. Oh my god, I'm filming a would you rather video. Lash curler. Okay.
What I feel like works for me is layering mascaras. I don't know if that sounds funny, but to me they do different things. So the first one is like the Lancome Doll Lashes mascara.
I don't have that one.
In particular order, I just,
but I have Hourglass.
Go. So I try to focus on like getting the outer lashes longer, so it can have like a cat eye effect.
Oh.
I think that the face people make when they're doing their mascara is funny. Go big or go home. Kehlani.
Wow, my lashes look amazing.
Bottom lash.
Bottom lash. Okay. Oh wait, no. She took off the powder first. I'm gonna use a Sephora 50 brush. I f***ed up right here. We're gonna fix it later, people. We're gonna fix it.
You can see a little bit. I have eyeliner on now. I think I need to just give myself a little more color to the face. So I use this like YSL like blush, liquid blush thing. I just do this.
Okay, that's a cute color. I can use a lip color for blush, yeah, I'm gonna just mix. Yeah, I'm gonna just use this. This is my Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip in Berry Mauve. I've used this before in my videos. What is she gonna put that on with her fingers? Oh, a brush. I'll use this one. This is Sephora Pro Diffuser 64 brush.
So I'm back to my benefit. So I'm gonna take the orange because it's darker.
No primer. I don't have that palette, but I have the NARS Persia eyeshadow, and she's just putting that all over her crease. Okay, so now Kehlani goes in with a yellow eyeshadow. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Alyssa Edwards, and I'm gonna go in with Brick Road right here.
Just like sunsetty, probably use an eyebrow primer so it can show up more. But I didn't intend for it to be like that bright.
Ooh, pretty.
Bling Queen highlighter. I'm only gonna use a little bit, but I like that it's liquid because
Liquid highlighter, okay.
the sun in a different way.
She uses her fingers. I have Becca
Right here, because
Shimmering
also
Skin
that-
Perfector. This is looking really good so far. Highlight. Okay, put on the liquid highlight.
Addiction, but I called it the gold ass powder.
I don't have that highlighter, but I have. No. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury. Oh, she's a big brush. Okay, hold up. Go into this highlighter. Wow, I'm about to start doing my highlight like this. This shit is fire. Okay.
I'm gonna take a teeny tiny brush.
Take a teeny tiny brush. She goes back in with the same highlighter, and she goes in her inner corners. So mother.
If I could marry this compact, I probably would. So I'm just gonna take this brush. Just take a little bit.
I got
See the
that.
difference
This is
already?
the Charlotte
I don't know if
Tilbury
I feel like
powders.
I can see the difference. So just like little minor areas like your laugh lines or
After this, she sprays her face. So, okay, this is just to retouch anything. So I use both colors, the 2 and the 3, because the 3 can be a little bit too dark sometimes, and I like using the 2 to highlight. This is just to focus that anywhere you know you want to retouch. I do get a little bit oily right here, so I just like to blur that out a bit. So
like,
in the face,
this spray just makes it look like you've had makeup on.
I'm gonna use
all
my
day
Morphe. I
versus
finally
just
got it in the mail. Ulta, thank you for amazing shipping and
And then I'm gonna take my Urban Decay all night.
ooh, yes. This is the best setting spray in the whole entire world. For me, that'll be like a Vibes color from Morphe. I'm gonna use that.
In a little bit in the corners and around it. It kind of creates this like 90s. Like,
I do that too, girl.
ombre type of situation.
Okay, so now all she uses is any type of clear lip gloss. I use my 99-cent lip gloss all the time. Super, super glassy, shiny. And it has a nice little pink tint to it.
My lip gloss, who cares? Alright. That is my face for the day. Let's see. Hope you like it. Hope you try it. Shout out to anybody.
I tried it and I like it. I like it. I like this. I like this.
Yeah, I appreciate it and I hope you enjoy.
This is so freaking cute. I am, yo, my skin looks bomb. I was honestly afraid of how the skin will turn out because I'm just so picky when it comes to my complexion stuff, but it just turned out so freaking good. So freaking good. I love this look so much. Like, baby. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do leave a beautiful positive comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you didn't already, and I'll see you guys soon.